Hello and welcome to today's video. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. In today's video we share with you some information about your Humax Freesat set-top box. Some Freesat viewers using Humax set-top boxes have recently been reporting no satellite signal issues when trying to watch Channel 4 HD. This problem seems to be only affecting a small number of people who are using one Channel 4 HD regional variation. 5 of the 6 Channel 4 HD regions have not had any changes to them for several months. But Channel 4 HD London region has recently, in late November 2024, changed frequencies, and it appears that for some people using this region of Channel 4 HD, their Humax Freesat box has not updated to the new frequency correctly. Hence the no satellite signal message appearing. Usually a reboot of the Humax box should clear the issue, as the frequency list will be reloaded when the Humax box is reloaded. Otherwise, performing a new Freesat channel scan will also reload the frequency list and the channels. To perform a new Freesat channel scan, go to the Settings menu and scroll to the right, to the second page, to Freesat channels. Select and click on Channel Search. Select and click on Next. The channel search will start, and will update your Humax Freesat box with new frequencies, and your missing Channel 4 HD London region should be available to you again. If you found the information in this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss any future videos. Until next time, happy viewing. Thank you.